What's up, FIXBOND fans? Ever wish your drone could stay in the sky just a little bit longer? Today, I'm showing you a professional way to upgrade your power game. We have a struggling battery here that's losing its charge and starting to swell. Instead of a basic fix, we're going to maximize its potential. I'll be installing expanded capacity cells to give this battery a second life and significantly boost its flight duration. From safe LiPo handling to recalibrating the internal board, watch how we transform a dead battery into a high-performance power pack.